Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the exact rinse. Measure 1 part apple cider vinegar to 3 parts water so you control acidity and avoid scalp irritation. Pour 0.5 to 1 cup into a squeeze bottle for easy application. Thicker hair needs the higher amount. Once done, detangle gently and dampen hair, not dripping wet because diluted vinegar adheres better to strands. Make sure to mix thoroughly, so the solution is uniform and easy to distribute along the scalp and lengths. You apply the rinse section by section, starting at the scalp and working down to the ends to dissolve product residue and rebalance pH. Use a squeeze bottle and saturate each section, then massage for 1 to 2 minutes to lift oils and unclog follicles. This also increases blood flow for healthier growth. Once done with all sections, comb through gently to distribute the vinegar. Make sure to avoid the eye area and any irritated skin to prevent stinging. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with cool water for 30 to 60 seconds to help seal the hair cuticle and lock and shine. Towel blot and style as usual. Repeat once or twice, weekly depending on scalp oiliness and sensitivity. Make sure to monitor how your hair feels over the following days. If you experience dryness or irritation, stop using it and dilute more or rinse immediately. This troubleshooting step prevents prolonged irritation and helps you find the right balance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.